Okay, so this is how to add a cloak link, okay, or like a redirect link. And what I mean by that is we want to be able to track everything that we're doing online. So we use this program called ClickJacker to track the result and give us the stat and etc. etc. This is just what we use for now. So basically, you have first of all you have to log into the backend of the WordPress. So in this case, or in this example here, I'm using kaboomtraining.com/webinars/WP admin. That is the domain name. And look, in the future, we might use a different domain name. We will tell you where it is. And if we don't tell you, please ask. Don't assume, just ask us, and we'll tell you which domain name to use to track all the result because every campaign is different. So alright, webinar. Now first of all we need to do is click on add campaign. Okay, so we click here and now the campaign name, this is just information for us and what it is. So in this case we're just going to type in webinar LinkedIn, which is just type in just now in keyword select. So like the link that we're going to have, it's just going to type in LN, which is stand for LinkedIn. Okay, and the destination is basically going to be the main domain name, which is the www.kaboomtraining.com/webinars, because that's where we want to send people to, and it will look like this when they landed. Okay, so this is where they can opt in their first name and email address to go and have a look at the webinar we are running. Now we can ignore the rest here because we don't need to use them. We can just click redirect and leave it as normal redirect, and then click on enable stealth mode, and then click save. Okay, as you can see here, the new campaign has been saved at the top. Beautiful. So what we need to do now, go to all campaigns, and then you basically just grab the link and it's now ready to use whenever it's loaded. And there you go. So this link here is a link that will take, so if you just type in on a new browser like this, as you notice, this will change, this will be a redirect to the webinar. Okay, which is this page here. That's exactly how we want it and exactly what we want it. And if you see here currently it's hit and unique, it's just going to reload it or refresh, and you will see that it's now one-on-one. So that's perfect because I don't want it. I mean, I just want to test it. So that's now 0, 0. Okay, so that's how we reset the thing to make sure it's 0 and track from here onward. All right, so that's how you use a ClickJacker or how to redirect the link and track where the traffic coming from.